it's Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group with another edition of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are out here. We are right off Via Forenza, so you can kind of see Solista Park is straight through there, and then over here is Volunteer. So this was the very early part of Inspirada.
Yeah.
And these were Toll Brother townhomes. And this will be the third one of these that we've filmed. And I just love these units.
Yeah, they're awesome. Oh yeah, this is awesome.
So plantation shutters. So this is a little different. We haven't seen this floor plan.
No.
We filmed one where there was only an entry down here and you were upstairs. It was the next building over. And then we filmed another one that just recently went into contract, which, you remember that former model?
Yeah.
4 floors, if I'm not mistaken.
That was spectacular.
That was such a cool.
Yeah. This is great space.
It is.
You see so many upgrades in here. You know, the
crown molding.
The shutters, the crown molding. I mean, look at that kitchen. It's gorgeous. I love the copper backsplash. That is awesome.
So what year was this built in?
This was built in 2008.
Okay. So 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings, crown molding. The 10-foot really makes.
It really does. It's gorgeous.
9 is good, 10's better.
That's what you think, yeah.
So, okay, so pantry. Oh, you know what? That's kind of clever. I think that little pantry thing opens to storage under the stairs.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm guessing here's a half bath.
I love that tile. That's
super interesting.
So cool.
So all of these townhomes have 2-car garages and Mercedes, of course.
Car not included, I'm sure.
So water filtration system, some storage, high ceilings. I like the fact that there's a couple windows in here too.
Yeah, I do too. I love that.
So what's the square footage on this?
It's 1519 square foot, and it's 2 bedrooms with a loft and 3.5 baths.
And it's priced at $444,713. Do I have that right?
Yeah, 444,713.
A super strange price.
Kind of funny.
And this is when we always ask if you would please like and subscribe to our channel. We have hundreds of videos, and we have been delivering these Inspirada TV episodes every day, daily. I mean, that is some kind of commitment, or we should be committed.
Yeah, that's probably what it should be. Yeah.
Cool loft.
Cool loft, yeah. You know, I bet in some of these, this could have been a 3rd bedroom.
Mm-hmm. Kind of shows you how you have the interior courtyard where everyone pulls in.
Mm-hmm.
Charming.
And I love that because you can't even see the garages. Like,
right, they're all interior.
You know, there for a while, every house you pulled up to was a garage.
So good size bedroom. We've been trying to spend a little less time.
More amazing tile.
Yeah, I really like this in this little nook. I did it here on the wall as well.
This is an amazing laundry room. And if you look out the window, you can see park views while you do your laundry. I love all the cabinets and big sink. So nice.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, you know what? This is just like tack paper.
Tack
I was
paper.
And a little nook. Be
Yeah.
a cool little workstation.
This would be a great workstation, actually, yeah. And then this is the primary. All right. Walk-in closet.
I'll show you these cool coffered ceilings here too. Really nice. The ceiling fan.
Wow.
And you know, the HOAs are not too bad on this. If I'm not mistaken, the total CIC was...
Total.
You know what? I have a feeling that may be wrong because on the remarks, I think it may be $126 per month. But when we post the video, we'll definitely have that all cleared up.
Yeah,
for you
because
with
it
all the
says
details.
association is $378 a quarter, equivalent to $126 a month. Wow, look at this shower.
Yeah,
that's super nice.
Interesting.
Yeah. Really pretty.
And Roman tub.
Separate water closet. That's
Dual
a giant
sinks.
tub.
Yeah. So, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, Homes and Inspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you'd like to see this townhome, which I think you should, just reach out to us. Leanne and I live here, and we would be happy to show it to you. Thanks for watching.